Check out this Dodge 2020 Journey SE value. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include quick order package 22B included, engine 2.4 Li 4DOHC 16V dual VVT transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, SC popular equipment group included, 1-year Sirius XM radio service. For more info call 888-539-7474. Sirius satellite radio, leather wrapped shift knob, rear air conditioning with heater, power 6-way driver seat, power 4-way driver, lumbar adjust radio, 4.3 SU Connect voice command with Bluetooth, air conditioning with 3-zone temperature control, security alarm, leather wrapped steering wheel, wheels, 17 inches x 6.5 steel, STD, engine, 2.4 Li 4DOHC 16V dual VVT, STD, transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP,